I saw him out of the corner of my eye. There he is again, guys. His name's Kingslayer. He's in every game. Not necessarily assigned roles, but it's kind of like a band, man. You know, like we had our band, and there was no rules in the band. Everyone could do whatever the hell they wanted. Those were the rules. And then over time, everything got ironed out real good. You know what I mean? Someone spawned here. Yeah, that's him. That much I knew. See that? I'm like, someone spawned here. I think I just walked in here. Who threw that? That was wrong. I wanted to do it at least in the door. Whoa! God! The skater boy turned to look at me, guys. Kingslayer! Who's he? I see him in every game. God, I was reloading, and you see the jump? Kingslayer's in every game, guys. He gets around. I gotta keep my I saw him out of the corner of my eye. There he is again, guys. His name's Kingslayer. He's in every game. Wow, I ran to that. I didn't see it there. Okay. Oh, man, I tried to get out of there, guys. Sniper boy got lucky.
Enemy UAV active.
That's dumb. I tried to put in my my RPK, guys, but it didn't come. I snapped on him, guys. I'm nowhere close to winning this game. I should have probably let the wait and see if the that was awesome. He's better than me. Last shot in the face, buddy. No one's through here. The guy that keeps... I shouldn't be doing these long runs, guys. Oh, we almost dolphined through that, folks. Okay, window boy. He was a window boy. You guys see the extra few shots I put on his head? He was a... I don't know if he was the... Oh, I almost didn't want that kill, guys. Did you guys see? I didn't aim right properly at him. Yeah, let's go. Why is that guy not on the UAV? I'm not even using the UAV, guys.
UAV is being a fuel. RTB at this time.
There was a guy in here. He's already gone. Oh, come on. That was bad. I wanted that. Who's over here shooting at me? You're not so confident when your range gone, are you there, buddy? Whoa. You over here? Where did... Whoa. He is over there! See, guys? I found that freaking... That little panzer. God, no! God! Revenge? You call that revenge? The guy killed me twice, like... Where's the guy? Hey, at least we got that, That was nice. Dang it! This guy, I hate him! But he should be able to... We should be able to nade him, though. This is... I'm dead. Like, who runs that far down an alley? Got him! Got him with the nade, guys. You see it? That was nice, guys. Hope you're doing well tonight, brother. Ryder, I'm doing good. How are you, my friend? I just got the kill I needed to feel good about Whoa! I had to jump and everything. Come on, skater boy. Come on, skater boys. That guy saw me. He saw me, guys. I saw him see me, and I just chowed him. And guess what happened? Kingslayer got toasted. But Kingslayer is also winning the game, folks. So
1 minute remaining.
that freaking guy. He's too far away to hit it with a nade, guys. I always see those things, think it's a person.
UAV active.
He's not back there.
30 seconds remain.
God, I hate him. Oh, you know what he just did though? That wasn't the guy I hated. Oh my God! No! Hey, I did it! I did it the last second, guys. Urgh.